It is cold and windy, and the snow is still coming down, although the worst part of the storm is officially over. But I wanted to check in and tell you that the blizzard of 2026 is official. Groton, Bridgeport, and New Haven all reached that criteria of seeing frequent gusts to 35 miles per hour and visibility a quarter mile or less. You need that for 3 straight hours, and we got there and then some. Here at my house, it is not quite blizzard conditions. We're also dealing with a bit of a lull in the action right now, but it's still nasty. Roads are slippery, the winds are howling, and the snow is wet and heavy and it's pasted to everything. So, as you get out and clear up the snow today, watch your back, drink plenty of water, take frequent breaks. We've got up to 2 feet of snow, especially towards the shoreline and for parts of southeastern Connecticut. The only areas that got less than a foot, at least right now, and I'm recording this at 10:40, were parts of central Connecticut and northwestern Connecticut. Everywhere else, it has been game on for big snow and big winds, and unfortunately, some outages, although they don't seem to be too bad at the moment. We're right around 12,000. Stay safe, and I'll see you when I come into work later.